Hello, everybody. It's Dave Robles with Think Real Estate, bringing you episode 28 of the great California Corona Staycation show. It's Friday, TGIF. Got any big plans for the weekend? Maybe you got a virtual cookout or a Zoom meeting with your friends, drinking game Saturday night? I hope so, because those things are actually pretty fun. I got free stuff for you today. I am giving away, making available, showing you where you can get some free stuff. So let's get on it, because who doesn't like free stuff? Check it out. This is important here. Outschool.com. Outschool.com. Free classes for kids between 3 and 18 affected by COVID closures, school closures. That's legit. Stop homeschooling your kids. You're teaching them stuff wrong, okay? Your kid can get a real education from Outschool. Ooh, I want to do that. Varsity Tutors, same deal. Program called Virtual School Day for K to 12, 30 hours a week of live online instruction, okay? There you go, boom. Calvert Homeschool, okay? If you are or thinking about getting into actual hardcore homeschooling, this is their curriculum. 3 months of free curriculum from the homeschool people. Here we go. Discountmags.com. Pick and choose your favorite individual issue. You've got free magazines right here. Discountmags.com. Marvel Hero Tales. Okay, this is a storytelling game app that promotes reading skills for kids 7 to 11 years old, which is a critical time where if you can get them hooked on reading, bam, what a gift for the rest of their life. But some kids only want to read if there's a superhero involved. I get it. Superheroes are awesome, okay? Audible for kids. Audible for kids. Great selection that includes Mrs. Peregrine's Home for Peculiar Children. Great book. First book of Harry Potter, okay? I mean, talk about a classic. Audible. Scridd's Library. Scridd's Library has their books, adult books, not those kind of books. Books for adults, people. Get your mind out of the gutter. This is a family show. Millions of ebooks, audiobooks, magazines, articles, and more. 30 days free. Go on scribslibrary.com, I think. This is awesome. Masterclass. I love Masterclass. You can learn anything from Masterclass. Examples, Gordon Ramsay. The Gordon Ramsay will teach you how to cook. Okay, Penn and Teller will teach you how to do magic. Martin Scorsese will give you a directing class. Maybe I should watch that one. You guys would agree looking at this show. I love it when celebrities who have worked with Martin Scorsese refer to him as Marty. Yeah, I worked with Marty. I always thought that was wow, that's so cool. It's to be on Marty level with Martin Scorsese. Go to Masterclass. Learn something. Cooking. Getting sick of what you've been cooking every day for a month? Go to Boston's Milk Street Cooking School. I've never heard of them before, but my wife said that this is awesome. Okay? Boston's Milk Street Cooking School. Free cooking classes. Now the important stuff. NFL games on NFL Game Pass. Free, okay? You can watch old games that were played, and you can watch them again. You could watch the Browns lose again and again and again. Sorry, Wendy. Okay. NBA, same thing with the NBA. You can watch NBA classic games. You can also do that for NHL hockey, but who would dare do that? Nike.com has something called NTC. I think it's called the Nike Training Center. Free. Check it out. Getting fit, okay? Because being at home with the refrigerator is a rough way to lose weight. Peloton. Now, I don't own one of those fancy bikes, but apparently they do other stuff. And right now you can get a 90-day free pass for like treadmill, outdoor running, strength training, integral training, yoga, meditation. Who would have known that so much can come from a fancy bike? So go on the Peloton.com app. HBO, 500 hours of free for a limited time. Okay, I think it's like HBO Go or HBO Now, but if you don't have HBO, check it out. Apple Music. I love Apple Music. It's where I get my music. 3 months of free Apple Music. Why not, right? Everything's on Apple. Even the Beatles became on Apple. And last but not least, pick up the guitar. Fender is offering 3 months of free for the first 100,000 people who sign up. I thought that was kind of funny. So there you go. Learn to play the guitar or the ukulele or the bass or something like that. Why not, right? You can probably get the guitar sent to you from Amazon.com. Or call me. I'll entertain you once a week for free. Okay? I hope you're well. That's the free stuff that's available. 28 days. We're 4 weeks in. And it's Friday. So do something enjoyable for yourself today, tomorrow, and every day. And take care of the people that you love. Take care of your neighbors. Okay? Take care of yourself. See you soon.